So welcome to the course on voice alarm system. So this course is primarily for the engineers who are working in the industry. If you are very interested in doing programming, you will love Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Python, MySQL database. And if you really want to combine these to create a new system which can be used in the industry and is very innovative, then this course is for you. Maybe you have some idea on Arduino, you have some different idea on Raspberry Pi, you have some idea on MySQL database, Python programming, C++ programming, but you are not able to combine those so that your innovative idea can come into picture. Therefore, this course is really helpful for those who want to create a very new system. He can sell the system, he can use this system for his own purpose, he can use the system for the industry. So what you will learn? You will learn how to program in Arduino, how to program in Raspberry Pi, how to communicate between this Arduino and Raspberry Pi using a particular protocol, how to get the data in a particular database from the sensors, and how to read those data from a client machine to do something. So actually what happens in the industry, there are various sensors. The sensors gives electrical signal. Okay. Now the main purpose of the Arduino is to convert this electrical signal into data, and this data is given to the Raspberry Pi. So why we need to send the data into Raspberry Pi? The Arduino is having a firmware which is written in C++. As the Arduino doesn't have this operating system, so it's very difficult to export the data into the database. That's why we have to take this data into the operating system where networking is possible. That's why we are taking the data from the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi. So now what happens? All the sensors data is available in the Raspberry Pi. Now we need a database. Now once the data are available in the database, we can do anything by using my Python program. So we will have a client machine. The client machine will read the data and will act accordingly. What action we are taking? We are generating some alarms. These alarms are nothing but some voice file, some audio files. The audio files will be put in a particular folder and the file will run once something happened in the field. So some operator who is inside the control room will be able to understand what has exactly happened in the field. And most importantly, if you love programming, you will love my course. Okay, so please register this course. You really learn a lot of things. So one more thing I want to tell you about the course is, you can really link this knowledge you will get from this course with the industrial PLC, SCADA, DCS systems. Let us suppose a very small PLC DCS system having a pressure transmitter. Okay, now you may think how the data is coming and how the data is getting displayed on the DCS. What happens? The pressure transmitter gives 4 to 20 milliamp signal to the analog input port of the PLC. This 4 to 20 milliamp signal enters into the analog input cards because the ports is available on the card. The responsibility of the card is to convert this 4 to 20 milliamp signal into binary data because there are inbuilt analog to digital converter ADC. Now this binary data has to be sent to DCS. Now just a normal ADC can't send the data to the DCS because there is no inbuilt controller inside this. Therefore, this binary data first goes to the controller in the PLC, and the controller and the analog input card are connected to each other by the motherboard. Okay. Once the data is available to the CPU, to the controller, then the responsibility of the CPU is to convert the data in such a format so that the data can be sent to the DCS with a standard protocol. We will be using Modbus protocol here. There are industrial protocol, there are some standard protocol, Modbus TCP protocol, Modbus protocol, OPC. There are HART, Highway Addressable Remote Transfer. So there are a lot of protocols like this. Now, how this protocol works? You can design your own protocol also. So by writing your own programming, you can develop your own protocol. So what programming we are doing in this course? We'll write a program inside the Arduino that will be in C++. Then we will write something in the Raspberry Pi that will be in Python. So my job is to communicate this C programming with this Python programming. So this communication is possible with protocol. That's why you have to take some libraries, some PySerial libraries, some other libraries that you can see in this course. So therefore, you can understand what a protocol also. So finally, I am to tell you, take this course, you can enjoy. Thank you.